Hello, hello, hello. Lisa and I are here to try this snack cracker situation. I think that it is a peppercorn flavored because of the peppery, corny look right there. I'm gonna slaughter the pronunciation as usual. Eta crax daha bahar atla lai. Yeah.
Slows off the tongue.
I'll see if I can find this online. If I can, I'll link it below. If you've ever tried this, let me know what you thought of it. And if you haven't tried this, let me know if you like peppercorn as like a flavor for a snack. Okay, I can definitely smell like the crackery, breadsticky part. I get a little bit of a peppercorny smell, a little bit, but not super strong. Mostly I smell the breadsticky smell.
Daha bahard tilly.
Something like that.
I had to give it a shot. I mean, I hadn't seen it yet. That's an interesting smell.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like just a bunch of seasoning, like peppers, like you said.
Like I said, peppercorn.
Yeah, all kinds of peppers.
Alright, here's what the inside of the bag looks like. Here we go.
Not bad, actually. Trying to think of something that tastes like.
It's very much like the breadsticks you would imagine, the small firm breadsticks. It has Italian seasoning,
yeah,
and peppercorn.
Yeah.
I taste the Italian seasoning more than I do the peppercorn.
Yeah, and then on the back end you get the peppercorn, but it's not spicy.
So it's almost like the seasoning used in a marinara, if you're not familiar with Italian seasoning.
And yeah. Of course you get the pretzel taste or the breading. So yeah,
it's nice. Good. It's got a nice crunch. It breaks down easy.
And peppercorn can be like pepper spicy sometimes.
Yeah, hot.
This isn't hot.
Yeah, it's just flavorful.
Just has a little bit of a peppercorn flavor on the back end.
Yeah, these are good. I would get these again. I would actually purchase these.
Yeah, these
I don't think we'd ever come across them in any of our local Walmarts, but yeah, I would recommend these. I would give these a solid, for a breadstick style snack, easy 4 out of 5.
Easy 4, if not higher.
100% 4 out of 5, maybe even 5 out of 5.
Yeah, because this is not bad at all.
This is very enjoyable.
Like ones you've had in other places, like locally around us, this would be a lot more intense flavor, you know, and kind of fake flavor taste. This actually has like a natural flavor taste, so it's pretty tasty.
I mean, you really taste the basil.
Yeah, it's nice.
In that Italian seasoning one.
This was a winner.
Good snack. Very good snack. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you want to watch more reviews such as this one. And give it a thumbs up if you had any sense of entertainment from our video. And if you didn't, go ahead and give me a thumbs down and you can tell me all about it below. Tell me what you don't like about it. Let me know and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.